Yeah, that was a very interesting session again. It's like looking into the future. The artificial intelligence is playing in surgery also a very important role. It's not getting into the practice yet because the main issue is people have to film all their procedures, so then specialists can annotate these films and get the algorithm done, and then we can use them in the practice as well. So we got an insight of the preparations that are coming regarding the increasing safety of the robotic procedures. Something like how can an algorithm and artificial intelligence show you the ideal dissection line, or how can increase the patient safety, this program in helping you to take the right decisions in order to decrease the morbidity, for instance, and improve the outcome results of these patients.